Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Abdullah Khan, the founder of SiteSkite. Today I'm going to show you the most hyped feature at SiteSkite where customers are asking they wanted to create a WordPress website based on just prompts, AI generated site. They wanted to give a prompt and the site will create. So as you know that SiteSkite is a complete web ops solution, and we do have sandbox, marketplace, like tons of features, backup and restores. And now we are privileged to have SiteSkite AI Studio feature in our platform. So how to try this thing? You just need to click on the create a site button here. Okay, there are two methods to do. Just simple, you can give a prompt here, or if you're familiar with the Google Stitch, you can brainstorm your design over there in Google Stitch and just copy paste the design here. It will render the HTML and the conversion of WordPress according to that. So let's start with the describe with AI. Okay, and there are a lot of industry. I put the industry here. A lot of like UX UI design, car repair shop, tire services, and gyms like there are, but you can always describe your own prompt which you would like to cover for your industry. For example, my medical, dentist, hotel, uh, healthcare. It depends what you can have it. So for me, like I would like to make a website for a smartwatch. Okay. Or either you can just click one click here and it will be write a complete prompt. But there are the things to understand, like some niche are not available. So you can just like for me, for example, I would like to create a small watch website design, talk about talk about its features features. Okay. So I just give the information, no CTA details, no color branding, anything. Not no. The important part is the creative direction to just keep in mind that we have everything is in the balanced standard, like layout energy balanced, layout density balanced. Okay. What type of design can be editorial, luxury, playful, brutalist, warm craft, and tech minimal. So I would go to the, I think tech minimal looks fine, or maybe luxury because this is a watch, smartwatch. Okay, so yes, continue to themes. Okay, so interesting part here, how many layouts you would like to generate, like one, two, or four layouts. Based on that design decision, you can proceed according to that for the next conversion. So to save our time, I will go for the one layout right now. Remember also it has a cost, credit cost. So these are AI driven solutions. So of course, like you, our sites can provide credits to users to utilize those credits to convert those templates. So you need to be well aware about like how many credits you are going to consume to generate the layout. So sometimes, not sometimes, one layout consume one credit, four layouts consume four credits, and later on, if we customize the layout, it can the credits consume according to that. But the accountability in the before conversion, it will show you the how many credits they are going to be consumed. The final stage. So I do have my credits remain 234 credits. Let's see. So right now, website is generating based on our prompts. The AI will understand, and SiteSkite AI will create the landing page for us. It's really good for us to see. Okay, click. Yeah, one image is missing. Fine, we can put the image, but it does pretty well job actually as an HTML layer. Craft. Yeah, this image anchors links. These are. I'm really happy with that. The best part of this layout designing using SiteSkite is the layout is responsive. Okay, and you can always brainstorm whatever the ideas you have and what type of website it can be for your customers, for your freelance jobs, or for your own yourself. So, and it takes just 1 minute to render these layouts. And so I'm doing this entire exercise without pausing the video in just one click, live actually. So the next screen is continue to customize. If there is a customization requirement, you would like to make changes, you can just chat. It will update the layout according to that. And you can change the colors. typography, and can add logo, icons. We are currently supporting the lucid icons, but these are not available yet. I'm developing this feature actually. Yes, I already mentioned in questions chat. But you can make major changes, icons and everything via chat, because chat use the AI engine, so you can bring those icons from that. But with native our platform, icon supports are not available yet, and it's developing right now. So soon it will be available. And the layout for header and footer. So 5 for header, 5 styles for the footer. If you would like to modify the layout, I'm pretty happy with the layout, the footer, but let's see. Let me change the footer layout. This is fine. Centered stack. I like the center stack and I put it there. That's completely fine. I can check the layout, how it will look in mobile. Somehow this header is like not responsive in the mobile. Let me see if my header, do I have another header option? Uh, okay, actually this the UI which generated the layout as responsive header design constraint. Okay, fine, we can optimize that part also. If you would like to add a new page, just click on the add page. Say like for example theme page. Yes, theme page introduces stuff and with photos, roles, and bars, match the site tone and layout system. Okay. So each new page, when we generate, it's consume 1 credit. Remember that. So I'm generating the page. It will take 5 to 10 seconds. So without delaying, I'm pausing the video. Yes, it didn't took 5 to 10, even just 2 3 seconds it took. So team page is ready. Let me click on the team page. Full screen. Yes. Fine. Yes. So the interesting part is here. Right now, we just created a website design content. We can just take a screenshot of this entire stuff, and we can share to our customers and board members, to your friends, that we can create the website like this, and they can give you feedback, and then you can implement on it, and then they can convert on WordPress later. But things are very fast. Now it's not like that creating a website taking days and weeks. uh, you know things clearly changed. The AI clearly changed the way we are handling the design system, everything. For example, if I would like to change the colors, I have clear direction here. I can just change the colors here and give those colors as information to the AI to perform the action accordingly. So really good. So button background, button hover, everything is fine. I don't want it to make any change and delay our time. So let me finish and export. We currently support the native WordPress editor right now because this is the WordPress version. This is our innovation actually, where the HTML is going to be converted in the WordPress. And in most cases, as our AI engine is developing and improving, it will take time to 100%, but it's near to the 70 80% right now. So, and later on, we can edit the layout page and make it perfect. We also need to do some work, right? And there are two more options: Elementor support and classic PHP theme, and downloadable zip theme as well. These are coming soon. Soon it will be available, and so you can convert the existing UI in Elementor as well. So for now, we can have a blog editor, so we can launch our site. As you know, that SiteSkite provides sandbox environment. So if you don't have sandbox site right now, it will automatically express. We can create a new sandbox. Otherwise, you can select your sandbox environment, and then we can deploy the SiteSkite, deploy the AI generated site there. So let's see. This process takes 30 to 40 seconds because it will create the sandbox environment. It will build a package. It will create those site. It will create a SiteSkite native theme for WordPress blog editor FSC, full site editing, and then it will upload onto the remote server, cloud server. So it's total 30 to 40 seconds process, but it's going good. Let's see how the demo will be. I'm pretty sure like it will be almost 70 to 80% near to that. As SiteSkite right now a complete web ops solution, and we are keep improvising our infrastructure and bringing more innovative features. This feature is actually most hyped in our platform. The when user can create a site immediately just by providing the prompts. So let's see, share your feedback over on internet about our innovation, and let's see. Yeah, okay, the site has been created as expressed. This image is missing, but it done pretty well job. It done pretty well. Yes, I'm really happy to see that I have a website in a minute, which is editable. Of course, images are missing. We can add the images from backend. But this is, you can see the colors are little, so we can change the color. No big deal. But this is the thing to understand. In today's world, you have a WordPress website, which you can just immediately render, edit. And the best part is, I use all those best practices to create and render this website, which can bring your website such an optimization and performance as well. Let me show you. For example, Google page speed test. Open it, and we can just copy this URL, paste it here. Let's see. Yes, you can see on the mobile we have 81%, 81 actually overall performance, and the desktop is 98%. Score is, and it's clearly express how well coded, and it depends on our servers also, because if our servers response time comes faster, will be more better. But overall, the site you got with AI is as per those Google Core Web Vital standards, search and optimization standards, and scalable project. So let me go to those areas which I feel like empty. For example, let me check the team page how it was. Yes, okay, comes with the images. Just only problem is the text color. I can, let's see how can I modify it. We'll go to the WP admin login. In this entire process, you didn't buy the hosting, you didn't configure the DNS. Everything is provided by SiteSkite, and it's free. You just need to give the prompt and have your site done. So once you log in, you know that admin bar shows appears on top. So just click on the edit page. Why I use blog editor instead of Elementor? Because this is one of my favorite editor, page editor. It's inbuilt in native WordPress, and if our capability to make this platform for support to WordPress, it's more important for me. So for example, here is the text, and I can change the color to the text to this, and build to last one color I want, for example, build to last, and see, save. So it does the job. You have your control now, because it's a page editor now, and in the page editor you can do your magic. You can add more sections, and sometimes it says attempt to recovery. Do this recovery, but is something happening? I will see what is that, but it should not be. Yes, attempt to recovery is fine. And let me go to the home page, edit this page. I will leave this page. I'm not editing. So you can see, like, the native blog editor allow you to go more creative. You can add pictures, everything, whatever. If we can change the picture as well here now, replace, upload, testing. Ah, yes, it appears to the top. It need to be appear front to back. It before add up 20 or 10. Okay, I would like this picture to be bring. So of course, AI generated very well this architecture where we have the first image, then the second image, but it's somehow it's not appears on the top. So the best part is, I will go and say like, okay, can you change the position Z index? to be 999. Yes, 9 is enough. Okay, so this one looks has the border of without border radius. This one has border rounded. So okay, I will then prefer to not have the radius because design will be complained after that, right? And yes, I like this one. Okay, I don't want this. Fine. Okay, so this is it. Color changing, colors, it's completely fine. Okay, attempt to recovery, update. Let's see the page. Yes, it comes. Okay. So the objective here to show like how we develop the UI in just one prompt. It's a completely WordPress compatible WordPress standard, and it's as per WordPress block editor standard. This is the most important page editor. And other part is, for example, let me go to the dashboard, the navigation. You can see SiteSkite header navigation. You can make the changes here. For example, if you wanted to move blog above here, and then you can save it. Then we can see site. Blog comes here first. So it's entire customizable, entire scalable project. And later on, once you created the website, um, you can navigate to the AI Site Studio tab. You can see Orient Watch. Two pages we created, design ready and SiteSkite powered AI we used. So if you have your own AI models, you can bring your own AI model to our platform, which can be then utilized. Maybe you can bring more advanced, expensive AI models. So SiteSkite will use that AI engine to utilize and create, so that can bring more value to your design and everything. And you can continue the editing, launch sandbox, duplicate the project, and delete. So if you will click continue to editing, it will again will bring those settings you would like to. I hope this demo helps you to understand more about what SiteSkite's heading towards to now. We are completing all our 360 cycle where you can create a site with your prompts, you can manage your entire company portfolio of sites using WebOps flows by our AI engine and automation. So tons of things we have here, and looking forward for your feedback. Thank you.